Welcome to the Learning Channel. In this video I will explain how to subtract and union. Now, consider you have to union this cube to the bottom object. Type U, N, I, press enter and select the both objects and press enter to union. Now, I have subtract cylindrical object. Type SUB and press enter. Remember that, first select the object from you want to subtract, press enter, and then select cylindrical object, and press enter. That's it, subtraction is done. For better appearance, change the view to conceptual. Now, take a look at this 3D civil plan. Consider you have to subtract window from wall, and union this object to the wall. To do subtraction, type SUB and enter, select the wall first and enter, and select the window and press enter. For union, type U, N, I, press enter, and select the both objects to union, and press enter. For better appearance, change the view to conceptual. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe. For more videos, check the description links.